Hey guys, we're going to take a short walk into Nordstrom since I'm always seeing people do Nordstrom hauls or talk about what they found in Nordstrom. I can never really find anything in Nordstrom, so maybe I'm missing it and y'all can help me out. Nordstrom to me can be a little bit pricey. The only thing I ever find in there that is usually within my price range is purses. Sometimes there are holiday decor during holiday time. You can find some really nice cute stuff for a discounted price. But other than that, Nordstrom, if they're not having a sale, is expensive to me. So we're going to go over and check out the handbags. They got some very, very nice watches here for those of you who like watches. But yeah, let's keep on looking. All right, here are the wallets and card holders. That is really cute. Too small for me, but cute. Here's another wallet. Just looking at the little wallet and card holders they have. But y'all, I found the cutest thing. Look at this. Look at this. I'm going to have to go find this somewhere. It is a cute little like coin holder, but it's in the shape of a triangle. It is $30 freaking dollars. This is what I'm talking about. Why would I pay $30 for this? Why would I pay $30 for this? Now I'm going to be on the hunt looking for something similar because I like it. Crazy. They have these little wallets here that's almost like card holders. They have these little card holders here. They are really cute by different name brands in this bowl. So you would have to dig through to see the one that you like. But I cannot tell y'all how upset I am that that little coin triangle purse thing is $30. I'm mad. I want it on record. I'm mad. So there's a lot of music playing through this video. So if I get struck by YouTube for the store music, I will have to take it out. So if you have spaces in here where you don't hear me talking, it is because there was music in that area. But if I have to remove it, I will. YouTube has just gotten very, very finicky about it. Gonna take you guys over to some watches, some jewelry, and then these two ladies keep staring at me. I think they can tell I'm recording, but did your mama ever teach you it's not nice to stare? I cannot stand to be stared at when I'm in a store. This is beautiful. It is a rhinestone necklace and it is beautiful. Luckily today, not luckily, because I really wanted to enjoy shopping at Nordstrom, I did not buy anything, but I saw some cute stuff like that necklace that I probably would consider coming back to get. But we are in August and I cannot buy. No weddings, no parties yet to go to in August, so I can't justify buying that silver necklace. But y'all know if I could, I would, right? Okay, so I'm just going to take a trip over through the clothes and go to the shoes. I'm trying to show y'all some of the clothes, but once again, this is tax-free weekend and there are so many people in the store that you just can't breathe. Like you can't, everywhere you go, every aisle you turn on, someone is there. And then they like in your way, which you will see. And I just can't stand it, Jesus, I can't. I'll be glad when tax-free week over. Honestly, you don't save anything unless you spend a couple of $100 if y'all really think about it and add it up. You really don't. You have to spend a decent amount to actually save something. For me to save $6 and $3 on one item, I mean, I guess. These are some Michael Kors heels. I don't own any. Y'all tell me if they're comfortable or not. I should have stuck my foot in it and tried it, huh? But I didn't. So I thought those were really cute with the little gold buckle on the back. I would purchase some Steve Madden's if I can find the sandals with this bling on it. Those are beautiful. So let's continue on and see what else they have. Still haven't found the shoes that I would love to find and that I'm looking for. So let's see what they have here. Once again, the bling is on point. The bling is on point. I do not own a pair of bling tennis shoes, and I said by December, by the end of this year, I will own one pair because I went to a what is it, ball and tennis shoe and ball gown and tennis shoe party or whatever. Me and my husband had went, and I have tennis shoes, but I would have just loved to have on some bling tennis shoes with my gown. And I realized at that point that I did not own any pair of bling tennis shoes. Now here's the sandals I was looking for, but I like something in between my toe, and those didn't have anything in between the toe. Bummer on that. But yes, before the end of the year, maybe I'll put it on my Christmas list for one of my secret Santas for me, because there's another pair of bling tennis shoes. You can get a nice pair off of Amazon or from other places that are not really that expensive. So can y'all move? Can y'all move? Taking up the whole darn aisle. Here's the Crocs with the fur in it. I do want to get another pair of Crocs. I don't want purple though, but I do want fur in them. Move, ma'am. And here come your daughter in the way. Oh, y'all, I got to get out this store, y'all. I got to get out this. Look at it. Look at them churn. Y'all need to learn to get y'all churn when y'all in the store. Your churn just run. Ma'am, your churn is running through the store. Just running amok and running ragged. Like, ridiculous. People can't even shop for running into your churn. Y'all remember when I was in Target, some little girl almost, move, ma'am, ran into me. They just everywhere. Just everywhere. I'm going to take y'all on the other side, and then I'm out of here. Okay, they got the Oli, is it what called? I love those gummies. I do try those gummies and I love them. I saw one of these on TikTok. So it's good to know that it's in here besides ordering it on Amazon. It's like a charger thing, and you can use it like all different kind of ways to charge. If you have different type of plugs, it can go in all different kind of ways. So it's really a neat gadget. I don't need one right now, but it's good to know that there's one in here. So I was looking at the camera holders. I need another tripod stand, but I think I'm just gonna check Five Below for that, because they do break so easily, these stands. So yeah, AirPod cases, makeup cases. This is the side of the store that I normally gravitate to when I come to Nordstrom Rack. Here's the Halloween stuff being put out. Here's the perfumes and the makeup. This is where I normally go in Nordstrom Rack. Okay, they have some Clinique, I guess, for the low, if you consider that for the low. We'll see. Here's some blow dryers and hair dryer tools. The hair stuff along the back wall. My eye caught these blankets. I love a good throw-in blanket, and it was on clearance. I did not get it. We're in August. I don't need it. I have like 4 Victoria's Secret blankets, but I really contemplated grabbing one of these. $17 was a little bit more than I would have wanted to spend anyways, but they felt so good. But if I got a blanket, I'd have to trash a blanket. And that's the motto I've been going by lately. If I buy something, I got to get rid of something. So this is the home decor. I love to go in stores and see what's in their home decor. Y'all, I need these gnomes. Y'all know I do my decorative table. And it's bees. $7.99. I think $4.99, $6.99. But I did see some bee gnomes in the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go back and check those for my table before I get those. But those are really cute. I have an issue with gnomes, y'all. I love gnomes, okay? Absolutely love them. Going over here to see a couple of candles, and then we're going to get ready to go ahead and get out of here because we did not purchase anything. We kept our August commitment to ourselves, and we did not make any purchases, just window shop. So I'm very proud of myself. Very proud of myself. Going over here to the candle aisle. Zoom y'all in on a couple of things, and we're gonna move on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put y'all over here till I put my other camera up. I have a not camera holder that someone else had sent me from YouTube a while back that I had not used yet. So I'm gonna put that one up and see if it will work. But until I put that one up, I just want to come really quick because I just heard it on the radio, and I know that I did a video about the Cardi B thing with the microphone stick being thrown, and I still stand stern to that. If you throw something on somebody or throw something at somebody, whatever their initial reaction is, it's almost like if you hit somebody, whatever their initial reaction is, that's what you get. I think that there needs to be a law. I think that they need to have you sign something before you go to a concert. Like, when you go on, well, I know before, when I used to go to concerts and you go on Eventbrite, you got all of these fees and all of this stuff you got to sign, right? There needs to be something like, if you throw something on stage or hit the artist, you are subject to, what's the word I'm looking for where you get in trouble? Whatever, legal, whatever. I can file a report against you. And also, you cannot, and I don't know if you can legally do this, but I will have it where you couldn't do nothing to me. If you do something to me, you sign that if you do something stupid to me, you can't come back and do whatever. So, of course, the person, and I don't know if this is the person that threw the water, but they're saying that allegedly somebody went to the police station and filed assault charges against Cardi for the microphone. Now, I do know that throwing a drink or throwing water or throwing pee is certain things that you throw on people that's also assault. So I feel like Cardi needs to file one back. She got good lawyers. She got money. But I just don't know if this is the girl that threw it or not. But the reason why I came to do a second video is because I just heard on the radio, and I have not seen this for myself in all the social media yet, as of the date of this video. Allegedly, before that incident, Cardi B was saying, it's so hot up here, throw water on me. It's so hot up here, y'all throw water on me. I haven't seen that yet. If I see it before I upload this, I'll put the clip in here. They are saying that there's videos going around about that. I haven't seen it. If y'all seen it and you follow me on Instagram, tag me. Now, the only reason I can think that Cardi would get mad is because if that was an hour ago, right? Like, if that was an hour ago and you just not throwing water on me, I can see that getting a little like, you know, in the moment when everybody was throwing water, you should have threw water. In that moment, she was probably prepared for it. She was ready for it. I have not seen the video allegedly, but she probably wasn't in the middle of a really, really good performance. Her mind probably wasn't on giving y'all entertainment. And when this lady threw the water, it could have been just like caught her off guard, shock, reaction. Don't know if it was liquor, water, or soda, or what it was. It did look like water though, but just her initial reaction, because the moment that I gave y'all to throw water on stage is over. Now, that's the only thing. If that is true, then the girl may be able to use that in her defense. She might say, oh, well, Cardi wasn't near me when she was telling everybody to throw water on her. So when she got near me, I felt like she was hot and I threw water on her. You know, I don't know how this is going to go. I know that we need to, once again, stop throwing stuff at people. Because at the end of the day, people are people. And the artists don't need to request nothing being thrown. You should have one of them fans like I got that go around my neck. Now, you got money, Cardi. You should have one of them fans like I had. You're performing outside on a stage in the heat. I would have one of them little fans like I got to go back to. I got a little fan when I'm outside to go around my neck. A little rag. They even have cooling rags. I don't know if y'all seen them before. If you work out or go walking, I have like 2 cooling rags, and I got them from the Dollar Tree. But I'm pretty sure she can afford real good cooling rags. But they even have cooling rags, Cardi, where you can have a cooling rag on you from time to time while you perform. Hell, everybody know it's hot. Them people out there standing up in that burning sun trying to see you should have a cooling rag and a fan on. Like, and I didn't know that they lip sync. I knew that they do play the songs when you go to concerts. Things have changed. I haven't been to the last couple of concerts I went to. My husband, we went to Mary J. Blige. We went to another concert that had D'Angelo in a minute. And we went to another concert for like our anniversary or my birthday in Jacksonville a few years ago. I forgot who that was. Who was that? Dang, I forgot. Anyways, and then we went to like a throwback 80s, 90s. And they did play clips of their song while they was performing. But I could have sworn swore the people I saw was actually like singing, but I guess these days they kind of sing over their song. They don't sing the whole song and stuff like that. I didn't know that until I watched the video, because the ones I've been to, you know, I think I may have got bamboozled, honey. The ones I've been to, I thought that they was actually singing. Now I can hear a little bit of their song playing in the midst of it. You feel me? In the midst of it, but, and I do have my seatbelt on, y'all. It's under my boob. That's normally how I wear it. I know somebody ain't gonna like it, but that's still gonna be how I wear it. I cannot feel restricted around my neck. I just can't. But anyway, I'm buckled up. Yeah, so I just feel like if the story is true that she was telling people to throw water on her before, that is going to be this girl's defense. That is going to be her defense as to why she did it. And now she's going to try to get as much money as she can, because this is a person with a lot of money. If this were me or you, you probably would not sue. You might want to try to play a charge. She's going to sue next. Now, allegedly, she went and filed assault charges. After that, you know the lawsuit coming, so y'all pay attention. But they were saying that Cardi was asking for water to be thrown on her. I just wanted to come back and clear that up, because I did not initially see any of that requested going on or anything in all the videos that have been posted so far. Like I said, if a video pops up before I upload this, I will put the clip in here. But y'all let me know what y'all think. What y'all think about it. What's y'all take on just the whole scenario? Just the whole scenario of throwing stuff on stage, going to see these artists to throw stuff on stage. Should they be allowed to press charges? If you throw something on the stage and hit an artist or do something to an artist, should you be allowed to go press charges after the fact? Like, I just don't think that's right. I really don't. But I think the other incidents where people had stuff, somebody had something thrown on stage and broke their, was it Taylor? I don't remember. Did y'all find out yet? But anyway, I don't think that you should be throwing anything at anybody. And nobody needs to request nothing be thrown at them. Cardi should have had her water boy. She should have had, you know, one of them water fans, spraying water fans bottles. Come on, Cardi, you got money to be on deck. If I'm performing outside, I'm prepared. I mean, me, myself, I go to a little concert, a little jazz in the gardens, and I'm prepared. I got fans, I got water, I got wags to wash my face, I got my cooling cloth, listen, I'm not going to sit out in I don't know where she was, I think Orlando or something, I don't remember. If I remember before this, I'll put it in here. But anywhere in South Florida, I'm in South Florida. If you anywhere in South Florida, they tell you, even in the morning, we're under a heat advisory. At 8 o'clock in the morning, it feels like 101 degrees. It's all over the news. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why Jesus is trying to bake us to a crisp. But early in the morning, we're at a feeling of 100 degrees. I'm not going to perform for y'all and nobody else without being prepared. Okay? Not doing it. So she needs to do better. If she was requesting that prior to, she needs to do better. But in her defense, the defense I would use if I was her, I'm thinking, is that situation was an hour ago. That's just like if I have VIP from 6 to 7 and you come in at 8 o'clock and you trying to get the VIP and you up there cutting the monkey because you can't get in VIP, and VIP specifically states on your ticket 6 to 7. Here you come rolling through at 8 talking about you paid for VIP and you want to see me. I personally, I feel like that's the scenario. If an hour ago I asked for water to be thrown on me, that was an hour ago. Don't come an hour later when I'm in the middle of something. I'm on a whole nother level. Don't come to throw water on me. You missed it. You missed it. No thank you. Don't need it. I'm good. Keep it moving. Y'all, I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. I just gave y'all mine. I'm open to everybody else's. So holla below. Hit me. Let me know.